That's the LC300 and let's go. It's the black version of the LC300. Pasok agad tayo. Okay? So by the way guys, this is the key. Yan. Ito yung susi niya guys ha. Right? Kita nyo? Nice. And of course, before we go inside, pakita ko lang to side mirror. Integrated signal lights. Check natin kung may 360. Of course, hindi pwedeng mawalan to ng 360 camera. Okay. So, yan. Merong ilaw dito And, yeah. It's the side mirror. And the step board. Okay. The mags, actually covered pa May plastic cover pa yung mags nito guys So bagong-bago tong unit and the size of this is 20 inches. Okay. All chrome siya. Okay, hindi siya two-tone design. Okay, enough with this. Let's go inside. Meron yung smart entry here. Kita nyo? And chrome accent design. So meron pa rin yung susian. Okay. So, i-advance ko lang to Meron tong blind spot monitoring. Okay. Located here. Medyo madilim lang kasi against the light. Pero, let's go inside. So, ito ang itsura ng controls niya. Meron tayong settings here para sa seats. Para maalala nung upuan yung seat settings mo. Alright. Merong 1, merong 2, merong 3 settings. Okay. So, yan design ng niya. Function ng door niya. Then, meron tayong wood panel display here. Okay. Para sa door handle. And, cup holder extended. Okay. Kita niya. Of course, ito yung classic na joystick. Pang-adjust ng side mirrors. So, meron siyang auto fold kapag nilock mo. Right? So, open and retract. Retract or fold the side mirrors. Central lock. Central lock ng door. Central lock ng windows. And, of course, ito yung 4 na panel mo. Okay? Power ang seats nito, of course. Ito yung pang-move. Adjust dito sa height. Then, ito yung sa sandalan mo. Okay? So, dyan. Actually, may cover pa to Of course. Siyempre, brand new to. Yan. Indicated here is the Land Cruiser. And then, okay, isa-isay natin to. Auto high beam. Tailgate control. Traction. Parking sensors. Ayan. So, by the way, ang adjustment ng steering wheel nito is analog din. Left, right, up, down. Napakadali. So, yan. Unlike yung igagalaw-galaw mo pa, okay, powered. And going back here sa left is, dito is pang-open ng gas and the hood. Okay. So, let's go inside. Isa-isay natin itong nasa steering wheel. So, nakikita nyo lang to Medyo reflective lang siya. May mga reflection kaya hindi nyo nakikita. Pero, this is the volume control. And the minus, the plus. Voice command. Okay. Ito yung pang-navigate dito sa multi-information display. Alright. So, yan. Meron kang back button, of course. Up, down, left, and right. Then, enter for the OK. Okay? Yan. So, meron ka answer call here. So, matte finish to This one. Then, wood design. Yan. Okay. Then, meron ka ditong dynamic cruise control and the cruise control plus the lane departure, lane assist. Yan, pag nawawala ka sa lane. Then, of course, ito yung pang-reset mo sa cruise control. Cancel. This is the mode. Kita nyo ba yung mode na word? Okay. So, usually ito, shortcut to dito sa infotainment. This one, this mode. Every time you push that, nagsa-cycle yan from AM, FM, Bluetooth, or the Apple Android connectivity. So, this is the skip. Skip arrows. Alright? So, moving on dito. So, meron ditong air circulation. Okay. Ito is para dito sa second row aircon vent, thermostat, heat or cooling system, synchronize the temperature. Yan, nakikita niyo yung focus. Then, seat ventilation control. Yan, kabilaan to the seat ventilation. So, ito yung control ko sa driver's side, then this one is for the passenger side. So, seat ventilation. Yan. So, meron ding fan level, of course, kung gaano kalakas yung ventilation sa upuan. And on the other side. Yan. So, yung 360 camera niya, button is nandito, located. Alright? Then, meron tayong option here para sa drive mode. Multi-terrain. So, depende sa terrain. Kung muddy, mabato, yan. So, dito mo siya isa-select. Then, meron ditong crawl na tinatawag. Yan, downhill assist or crawl. Okay? So, yan, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam niyan, yung crawl, aandar siya ng mabagal lang para at least mas focus ka sa road. Whereas yung iniisip mo pa yung braking, pag naka-crawl tong sasakyan mo, mas focus ka dun sa terrain. Okay? Then, dito meron tayong differential lock control. Okay? Then, nandito tayo sa mode, high na 4-wheel drive or low 4-wheel drive. Alright? Then, of course, dito, electric handbrake. Then, dito naman is brake hold assist. Yan. So, dito wireless charger. Yan, nandito yung on-off ng wireless charger. Okay? So, dito merong pocket na lagayan. Pwede dito rin yung extra phone nyo, coins or card. Yan. So, unfortunately, hindi ko mapakita to infotainment. Just because display kasi itong unit na to. So, ito yung design ng rear view mirror nya. Okay. Nice. So, going at the headliner. Dito sa driver's side, of course, ito, kita nyo So, ito, once na inopen mo to, bubukas tong light na to. Yan. So, usually, same yan dito sa passenger side. Okay, kita nyo. Yan. Then, ito yung ilaw nya. Para just in case madilim, nighttime kayo nagsalamin, is makikita nyo pa rin. Okay, then nandito naman is itong door function, lit function, or ito naman, yan, nakita niyo ilaw, umilaw Okay. Okay, nandito naman sa right side. So, para naman mapakita itong, andito yung control para sa sunroof. Okay, itong ceiling nito is nabubuksan. Okay, kita niyo yan. So, meron tong sunroof. So, yung sunroof niya para dito lang sa first row. Hindi siya buo hanggang sa likod. Okay? So, yan, naka-plastic pa. Bagong-bago, guys. Okay. The LC300. Pakita ko lang tong center, natin, armrest, and also a pocket. So, kabilaan mo siyang pwede buksan. Guys, ito, bubuksan ko siya dito sa driver side. Alright, kita nyo. Then, bubuksan ko naman siya just in case si passenger ang magbubukas. Or either way, dito ko siya bubuksan. Kita nyo? So, kabilaan siya. Okay, kung sino man ang may need na buksan siya. So, checkin natin. Yan. So, meron tray dito. Okay. Then, gaano ba kalalim to? Ayan, malalim siya. Almost hanggang elbow ko na siya. Okay, yan. So ito yung kamay ko guys. Yan, ganyan siyang kalaki. Okay. Andito yung on-off ng cool box function niya. Okay, nice. Ganda. So ayan yung kamay ko while driving. Right. So check naman natin tong glove box. Yun. So dalawa siya. Merong ilalim, merong ibabaw for the glove box. Nice. So leather to lahat Yan, okay. This is leather guys, and this yan. Of course, being the LC300, bakit hindi magiging leather yan? Okay. And pakita ko lang to guys. This is JBL speaker. Okay. Kabilaan to front. Yan. And also at the opposite side. See guys, yun. Okay. By the way, dito sa ilalim is nandito yung odometer button trip niya. Okay. Yan. Nice. And pakita ko lang before we go sa second row. Okay. Second row. So the design for the second row is this. JBL speaker. Door function, handle, to pang window, and wood design. Right? Leather, of course, white stitching. Okay. Then cup holder, of course. Extended siya. So isa lang yung cup holder mainly. Okay. Step board, and yan. Merong design dito ng silver accent. So pakita ko lang tong second row aircon. Yan. Nice. The aircon vent design. Ito merong pang off ng airflow. Yan. Okay. Then yan, may ventilation control din guys. Yan. Okay, kita nyo, kabilaan siya. Then ayan, ito yung fan level, fan blower level niya. Meron ding auto. It means auto max. Off, then the airflow. So this is the thermostat naman. Yan, ganda. Then pwede kayo mag-charge. Type C ready na, dalawa. Then of course, nandito pa rin yung classic na lighter. Para like for meron kayo isasaksak as utility use na item. Then this two is ideal for your mobile phone charging. Right. Nice. Of course, sa likod ng upuan is may lagayan pa rin ng files. Okay. So the design of the cabin light is like this. Okay. Yan. So yan, naka-door function siya, kaya nakabukas yung ilaw. Yung aircon vent niya is, ayan, kita nyo. And also here sa opposite side. Okay, nandito rin isang aircon vent. Yan. Of course, yan. May seat ventilation to. Ayan, okay, may mga small holes dyan. Of course, leather. And that's the second row. Ikutan natin Let's begin here. Of course, ito yung tail light niya. Okay, so this is the design of the tail light. Then meron tayong reflector under with running chrome design. Okay, reflector. Okay. Of course, apat yung sonars nito. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4 sa dulong side. Right? Yan. Right? So, Land Cruiser ZX. Alright. So medyo madumi lang to, of course, nasa warehouse kasi itong LC na to. Okay. So yung supply nito, hindi ganun kadami yung arrivals. So I suggest, once may available, immediately grab agad natin. So hindi ko naman pinupush na any color kayo, pero sa konti ng dumadating nito, minsan sinasuggest ko any color din. Alright. So yan, finish ng light niya. Okay. Suabe. And ito yan may chrome, running chrome design hanggang front. Okay. Nice. Medyo madumi lang like I mentioned, galing tong warehouse. Okay. So meron din tong front sensor, of course. Yan. So ito yung ilaw niya. Meron Land Cruiser na indicated here. Okay. So ang laki ng grill niya, sobra. Solid. Yan. So whatever transaction you're planning, pila natin guys. Huwag ka mahiya. I usually leave my Viber and WhatsApp in my vlogs. Of course, contact me directly para ma-monitor ko din yung stock supply arrival niya sa Philippines. So yan, hindi ko pinupush, pero very ideal any color. Mas maganda kung open kayo. Okay. So by the way, this is the 360 camera here in front. And sobrang laki ng emblem niya. Pakita ko guys ito yung kamay ko. Yan, ganun kalaki emblem niya. Alright. Yeah. So this is the LC300ZX color black. Side by side with the Alphard. By the way, when it comes here for the Alphard, meron na akong vlog for this. Just check out my channel, my TikTok or YouTube channel. Meron din akong vlog for the interior and the exterior for this. So tawag lang guys, huwag mahihiya. Of course, we can also meet here in our showroom. Set lang natin by appointment Before I forget, actually meron kami trade-in. Of course, most brands sinatanggap namin. Schedule natin. Pwede namin kayong bigyan ng quick appraisal. Pero of course, ang final is dalhin nyo yung unit nyo dito. Alright? So, in that way kasi, mabibigyan namin kayo ng final appraisal amount. Whereas dun sa quick appraisal, hindi final yan. Of course, kailangan namin makita yung actual condition of your vehicle. So, yeah. This is the LC300. Alright, guys. Bye. Thank you.